This old radar has been left here for many years in harsh weather. Rust and time have badly damaged this power radar system.
The antenna mesh is shredded.
And these cables are hanging loose.
The team checks every part to understand the damage. They get their tools ready and plan the repair work. The inside of the radar is even more damaged and dirty. The team is ready to begin the long restoration process. They organize the area to keep every part safe and tracked. They loosen rusted parts to make removal easier. Old and damaged wires are removed from the system. They secure the antenna before removing heavy parts.
Secure?
Yeah, hold it steady.
Strap is in place, checking the top.
They begin removing the outer panels to reach inside parts. Every part is labeled so nothing gets lost or mixed up. They remove dust and dirt before deeper cleaning starts.
Yeah, coming off easy now.
Cloths are ready when you are.
Heavy rust is scraped away to expose the metal below. They sand the metal to smooth and clean the surface. Special chemicals help remove deep rust from the metal. They check which parts are strong and which must be repaired.
It's in the panel.
Screws in the tray.
Radar slowly begins to show its real structure again.
The progress is really visible.
Good work, team. Let's keep this momentum going. Agreed. We'll tackle the base next.
They start repairing the frame to make it strong again.
You up.
Careful, this beam is bent.
I see it. The whole frame is unstable.
Ladder is secure.
Welding fixes broken joints and strengthens the structure. The base is repaired to hold the radar safely.
Now, replacing these worn bolts. Tightening the stabilizer legs now. The base is solid and stable.
They rebuild the antenna frame piece by piece.
Cross braces are secure. Good tension. Holding steady on this side.
It's looking more structured already.
Moving parts are cleaned so they can work smoothly again. New wires replace the old damaged connections.
The voltage. Alignment looks good. Proceed with the next connection.
Probes are set. Reading is stable. Good. Lock it down.
They clean every contact to improve the power system. The control panel is repaired and made clear again.
It's on the bend.
Applying more pressure. Check it again.
Perfect. It's holding the alignment now.
They test the system to make sure everything works properly.
Now testing the relays.
Looks good. Connor, secure the wiring.
They place the heavy antenna mount back into position.
Aligning the flange. Almost there. Perfect. It's seated.
Antenna is fixed firmly onto the radar frame. They apply a primer to protect the metal from rust. A fresh coat of paint gives the radar a new life. They add markings to restore its original look.
Now, looks good. Check the side. Side is perfect. It's fully restored. Good work, team.
The outer panels are placed back to close the system. They prepare for the first power test.
Radar.
Signal path looks stable. Check the power input.
We're clear. Initiating power tests. Monitor for anomalies.
The radar comes back to life after many years. Antenna moves again, showing the repair worked. The radar now stands strong and fully restored.
We did it. A true testament to our work.
It's incredible to see it complete.
The old machine now looks alive again. The team worked hard to bring this radar back.
Base. Good. I'll handle the dish alignment. Agreed. Let's begin.
It is no longer broken and forgotten. From rust to life, the radar is restored again.